They're not just cars, they're symbols of unmatched luxury, built not just to drive, but to dominate every street they touch. The 2025 Rolls Royce Phantom and the all-new Cullinan Series II are not rivals. They're legends in motion. But if you could choose only one, which masterpiece wins the crown? Today, we compare these two British icons head-to-head. Welcome to DriveSphere, where luxury meets performance. The 2025 Phantom is pure elegance in motion. Its massive front grille glows like a polished jewel, paired with razor-sharp LED laser headlights. The long sculpted hood flows into a perfectly symmetrical body, built to glide, not just move. The spirit of ecstasy rises proudly on the hood, reminding you this isn't a car, it's a statement. Every curve whispers class, every detail screams legacy. Even standing still, it feels like it's in motion, smooth, graceful, commanding. Now meet the beast in a tuxedo, the Cullinan Series II. Sharper, taller, and more commanding than ever, this SUV redefines presence. With updated matrix LED lighting, a higher stance, and newly refined chrome accents, the 2025 Cullinan looks like royalty dressed for war. It's not just made for roads, it's made to own them. From penthouses in Dubai to chalets in the Swiss Alps, the Cullinan dominates every setting. It doesn't arrive, it enters. Step inside the Phantom, and time slows down. You're surrounded by hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, and soft wool carpets. The rear seats feel like first-class airplane pods, complete with champagne coolers and starlight headliners. Ambient lighting adjusts to your mood. The cabin is more than silent. It's sacred. Whisper quiet, beautifully balanced, with rear doors that open like the entrance to a private palace. It's where billionaires relax and power quietly recalibrates. Now step into the Cullinan, where adventure meets handcrafted luxury. The 2025 interior brings in an all-new curved glass infotainment display, a redesigned center console, and a smarter cabin that knows what you need before you touch a button. The Starlight headliner still twinkles, now with animated shooting stars that glide overhead. Seats are plush, ventilated, heated, and yes, with massage features fit for royalty. You don't just drive it, you experience it at every altitude, every season. Under the Phantom's hood lives a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12. Smooth, quiet, and confident. It delivers 563 horsepower with grace. 0 to 60 in just over 5 seconds. But this isn't about numbers. It's about silence at 100 miles per hour. A floating sensation. This car doesn't roar. It glides. Power is always there. You just don't need to shout to use it. In the Phantom, performance is poetry. The Cullinan Series II shares that same V12 heart, but tuned for dominance. With 591 horsepower in the Black Badge Edition, it's ready for anything. Gravel, snow, mud, or glass-smooth highways. It floats across all with the grace of a royal parade. Air suspension adapts instantly. Terrain response systems adjust to every surface like second nature. It's the only SUV that feels like a Rolls and drives like a jet. Both vehicles now feature Rolls Royce's SPIRIT digital architecture, a seamless infotainment system with split-screen touch displays, AI-assisted controls, and voice recognition so refined it feels human. The Phantom's cabin features retractable picnic tables, whisper-quiet climate zones, and specially designed audio systems that recreate studio-level acoustics. The Cullinan adds all-terrain cruise control, infrared night vision, and rear seat entertainment that feels more like a cinema than a car. Luxury now comes with intelligence, and both deliver it effortlessly. The 2025 Phantom starts at around $550,000 and climbs quickly with bespoke options. Each one is hand-built, custom-painted, and tailored down to the thread color. The Cullinan Series II starts near $400,000, but black badge editions and custom features can push that easily past $500,000. But let's be real. If you're buying a Rolls, price isn't your concern. Exclusivity is. These aren't mass-produced machines. They're rolling pieces of art, one-of-one statements that turn roads into runways. So, which one takes your heart? The Phantom, a timeless luxury yacht on wheels, floating through the world with grace. Or the Cullinan, a dominant all-terrain palace that refuses to blend in? Tell us your pick in the comments below. And if luxury, power, and elegance excite you, subscribe to DriveSphere and ride with us through the world of ultimate machines. This is just the beginning. The road ahead is pure gold.